Okay, I'm going to show you how to flash a Motorola Q right now. This is a Verizon Motorola Q. I'm actually on a remote support session with a client. I'm going to flash his Q from Verizon to Alltel. First thing you need to do is install Motorola CDMA General. You'll get that in your members area in the Motorola downloads. Okay, so I'm going to install this program. Okay, you can install the Motorola drivers and run the Motorola software update in there too. That'll put all the drivers on your system. And then for the Q, what you need to do to reprogram it to a different carrier is run ActiveSync. On Windows XP you have to run ActiveSync. On Windows Vista it's built into the computer. Basically has a program built in that's like ActiveSync. It works the same way. This is asking me to restart the program as an administrator. You have to install it as an administrator or it won't work. That's only on Vista. On Windows XP it will just install and work fine. And you can see in the background here behind the program that I'm installing, you've got your correlata.com/PRL. That's where you get all the PRL files for the different carriers. See, I've got Cricket here, Metro PCS. I'm going to download the latest Alltel for this phone. The Q is an EVDO phone, so I'm going to download the latest EVDO file, which is this one here. Just save that to somewhere where you'll know where it is. Okay, now I've got the software installed, so you can see it says launch Motorola CDMA General. It's already checked, so as soon as I click finish, that's going to open the software. First though, make sure that the phone is connected with ActiveSync on XP or through Windows Vista. You can check that by just going to opening up a folder and browsing your computer to find the phone. It's going a little slow because this is a remote session with a client. This is not my actual own computer. Okay, I'm just going to open up a new browser here. Okay, so I can see the Motorola Q right here. If you can see the phone detected, then it should be ready to go. So now that we've got it connected with ActiveSync and the software is installed, I'm just going to open up the software. Okay, now it should pull up some info up here right in this area and read the phone. If it does that, you know that you're connected properly and it's going to work. So far it hasn't, so we'll give it just a minute. Okay, so now it came up and it showed all the info for the phone in blue here. So the phone is detected and now we're ready to write the PRL file. So what we're going to do is, let me maximize this first so we can see everything. Again, it's going a little bit slow because I'm doing this remotely. In fact, I got disconnected, so I have to reconnect. them reconnected. I'm just going to maximize this so we can see everything here. Okay, so now first thing you have to do is click on this phone provisioning tower, picture of the tower here, and then check the PRL box and click on PRL. Okay, that'll pull up the screen where you can write the PRL, and you'll see it says PRL1 here. I'm going to open the file. I'm just browsing to his desktop. Now right here it says PRL files and then it says .rla. You need to change that so it says .prl, because that's the type of file we downloaded from correlata.com/PRL. I think his computer might have disconnected me again. Oh no, never mind, it's working. Okay, so now I'm going to browse to this PRL file that we downloaded, and once you've opened the PRL file up in here, all you have to do is click on Write Phone, and that's going to write the PRL file to the phone. And if you read right here, it says successfully written to the phone, and then once it says that, you got to give it a couple seconds, and as soon as you can move this scroller down here, you know the phone is done. It's flashed. The phone will now work on Alltel. All you need to do is get the phone activated and dial *228 and it'll work. That's it.